Hello everyone, welcome to the cooking series by Roaming Cuisine. Today I am going to share the ultimate sambar recipe with you. This traditional sambar is super flavorful and loaded with vegetables, spices and herbs. So let's see what all ingredients we need. First of all, take half cup of tur dal, wash a couple of times and put it in a pressure cooker with 2 cups of water. Then add few chopped veggies, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 cup finely chopped carrot, 1 beetroot, which will give a wonderful color to the sambar and of course it has health benefits. 1 cup chopped bottle gourd or lauki and a teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well and pressure cook up to 3 whistles. Once it is done, mash well and keep it aside. Now let's make a sambar. Take 2 tablespoons of oil, add a few poppy seeds or rye, 2 Kashmiri red chilies, add a few curry leaves and half sliced onion, add a pinch of hing, add boiled chopped drumsticks. Once the onions and drumsticks are cooked, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, then add half cup of tamarind pulp, two tablespoons of jaggery powder, let it boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the entire mashed dal and veggies into it. Add 2 tablespoons of Everest sambar masala. Add 2 cups of boiled water. Let it boil for around 5 minutes. Add fresh chopped coriander leaves. And our sambar is ready to serve hot. You can pair it with idli, dosa or Medu Vada. Hope you will definitely give a try to this protein-rich sambar recipe. Do like, share and subscribe us for more. Thank you.